Good afternoon.
My name is Muhammad Khan, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about my major, MIS, and how it is used. I would like to start my talk with a question. Anybody here taking MIS as a major? Anybody at all? Okay, so nobody here is taking MIS. That's good, because this talk is purely for the benefit of those who don't know anything about MIS. Today, I hope to briefly clarify what MIS is, what its functions are, and what its role is in the world of modern business. MIS is an acronym which stands for Management Information Systems. You notice the word management, which means that MIS is a commercial subject used only in business. The main reason I chose to speak about this topic was because of the fact that many people tend to confuse MIS with IT, information technology, computer science, or computer engineering. In truth, MIS has little to do with either of these subjects. It's basically defined in layman's terms as the process of using computers to handle all business functions and operations. Examples of business functions can range from many things, such as keeping accounts, keeping inventory of products, or keeping records of employees. In the beginning, before computers were invented, all these business functions, which I have previously spoken of, were done by the use of devices such as typewriters. In those days, filing cabinets kept storage, but the files that these filing cabinets could store took up a lot of space, and these filing cabinets could only store a small amount. Then, when the first computers were invented, they could only perform simple business functions, such as keeping accounts. Then, as time went on, and as technology developed, a new type of computer program was created, and this program revolutionized the world of business. That program was the database, and as you all know, a database is a program which holds and manipulates huge amounts of information. These databases play a key role in decisions of managers. What do we mean by that? Well, I'll give you an example. Supposing there's a big company, and this company has an office building and a factory in a certain sector of the city. Now that's a lot of employees working in these two places. So how are the managers going to keep track of all these employees? They will have a large database of every single person working in these two buildings. It will not only have the list, but it will also have the profiles of the employees, their salaries, their perks, their benefits, and so on. So why is this important? Well, the manager can look at the database and see that if 500 employees are making over a certain amount, he can decide, okay, I'll cut the salaries. But if he decides that a certain number of employees are making too many benefits but not enough salary, he'll cut their benefits and increase their salary. All these single decisions are really important because employment, like everything else, costs money. And increasing salary increases the cost of employment. On the other hand, increasing salaries also increases motivation, which can increase the production of the company. So can you imagine? Think about it for 1 second. One single decision can affect the entire business, even one as large as a corporation. So MIS consultants and MIS programmers must make sure that their databases and their reports they give to their bosses are clear, accurate, and up to date. The better the database is, the better decisions the managers will make. I would like to conclude by reiterating that MIS and database management are some of the most important tools used in business today. Businesses run on decisions, and decisions are based on what is learned from database information. Without databases and without decisions, businesses around the world, everywhere, would not run. Thank you. I'll take any questions.